Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's piece is something a little different. I've been feeling rather adventurous recently, venturing beyond the things I usually paint. Perhaps I'm channeling my midlife crisis onto the canvas. I woke up on a mundane week and decided I'm going to paint a brick wall. To spice it up a little, I'm going to paint moss and the crack between each bricks. This painting was randomly inspired by a YouTube video. A recommendation showed up on my feed and I started binging on the whole series. It's by this British lad whom I think is hilarious. By the way, he starts faking a random guy, a grandmother, and a grandfather to the top of Fashion Week. I love fashion, but I do admit it is a very pretentious scene. Anyway, the outfits that they wanted to showcase were compiled by a couple of the most outrageous and ridiculous items. So in one of the episodes, this guy went all out with the fragile tape and wrapped it all around his calves, and then for some reason I was like, I need to paint that tape. There's the little backstory to the birth of this painting. At times, I get inspired by really random stuff, but I love being inspired. Inspiration gives me a sense of purpose, excitement, and fulfillment. It's almost akin to the feeling of falling in love. I'm eager to start on the piece, committed to finishing the piece, despite the hiccups along the way, and I'm a little sad when it's finished because I don't know when I'll be inspired again. I actually like this piece. It's simple, yet catchy. A bit of a statement piece. There are many ways to interpret this. I like to think of the roses as broken individuals, emotional vulnerability, or perhaps a little thorny. Anyway, I'll leave the interpretation up to you. I hope you like this painting. Hence, without further ado, let's begin.
I just wanna get high on my lover. Veo una muñeca cuando miro en el espejo. Kiss, kiss, looking dolly eye. Think I may go out tonight. I just wanna ride, get high in the moonlight. I just wanna get high on my lover. Veo una muñeca cuando miro en el espejo. Kiss, kiss, looking dolly eye. Think I may go out tonight. I just wanna ride, get high in the moonlight. Forget the small talk, the surface level ain't much that I care for. Pouring on my lip gloss, I saw you step from my peripheral. Yeah, baby, it's been a hell of a day, but I know place we can escape. Find out if it's to let go of everything, be free when you're here with me. I just wanna get high on my lover. Veo una muñeca cuando miro en el espejo. Kiss, kiss, looking dolly eye. Think I may go out tonight. I just wanna ride, get high in the moonlight. I just wanna get high with my lover. Veo una muñeca cuando miro en el espejo. Kiss, kiss, looking dolly eye. Think I may go out tonight. I just wanna ride, get high in the moonlight.
Love when it comes without a warning, 'cause waiting for it gets so boring. A lot can change in 20 seconds. A lot can happen in the dark. Love when it makes you lose your bearings. Some information's not for sharing. Use different names at hotel check-ins. It's hard to stop it once it starts. It starts. I'm not sentimental, but there's something about the way you look tonight.
get higher with my lover. Veo una muñeca cuando miro en el espejo. Kiss, kiss, looking dolly eyed. Think I may go out tonight. I just wanna ride, get high in the moonlight. I just wanna get higher with my lover. Veo una muñeca cuando miro en el espejo. Kiss, kiss, looking dolly eyed. Think I may go out tonight. I just wanna ride, get high in the moonlight. Forget the small talk, the surface level ain't much that I care for. Pouring on my lip gloss, I saw you step from my peripheral. Yeah, baby, it's been a hell of a day, but I know a place we can escape. Falling out of this to let go of everything, be free. When you're here with me, I just wanna get higher with my lover. Veo una muñeca cuando miro en el espejo. Kiss, kiss, looking dolly eyed. Think I may go out tonight. I just wanna ride, get high in the moonlight. I just wanna get higher with my lover. Veo una muñeca cuando miro en el espejo. Kiss, kiss, looking dolly eyed. Think I may go out tonight. I just wanna ride, get high in the moonlight.
Love when it comes without a warning, 'cause waiting for it gets so boring. A lot can change in 20 seconds. A lot can happen in the dark. Love when it makes you lose your bearings. Some information's not the sharing. Use different names at hotel check-ins. It's hard to stop it once it starts. It starts. I'm not sentimental, but there's something about the way you look tonight. It makes me wanna take a picture, make a movie with you that we'd have to hide. You better lock your phone and look at me
cuando miro en el espejo. Kiss, kiss, looking dolly eyed. Think I may go out tonight. I just wanna ride, get high in the moonlight. I just wanna get higher with my lover. Pero no muñeca cuando miro en el espejo. Kiss, kiss, looking dolly eyed. Think I may